Hi all. So today it is data vlog for number 5, and there is a we some uh, new finding I observed. uh, for those It may be useful for those who refer different online article or code to practice their code and try to get hands on that particular code to get learn that from code and to implement. But most of the time it may happen that that code not works well, or we require much more digging that what is the exact issue. So this is one of the example I have found that can be helpful during when anyone use online code or article to uh, as a reference for their code practice. So for this, since I was from past few months, uh, I give more importance to AI and was looking for what is the exact chat GPT or GPT 2 3. During that time, I found this particular article, text generate text using Python, and in that I was surprised to see chat GPT is mentioned, like GPT-2 is mentioned here. So I thought for GPT we required only uh, API keys to generate model, but here that model is pre-trained already on Transformer 2, and it is available, and it is created by OpenAI, and it is, I think it is publicly available. That's why we can use that. For that we require to install transformers, and this is simple code we need to use to create this particular outcome. I did say same, and during I tried to use Jupyter Notebook and found that this particular code is working fine, but this particular code was showing error, and I was searching what if that particular article showing correct output, why mine uh, code is not working properly. So I thought maybe there is issue because of this particular uh, Jupyter Notebook. So I switched to this one, Google Colab. During that I found that uh, same issue, but later I observed that when I again checked this particular article, I found that here issue is here. So this sentence, for this sentence, that issue won't be uh, because of this particular sentence text issue is occurring. So for to realize that, I have spent around half an hour to realize that issue is here. So I have updated that sentence part to sequence, and that error is resolved now. And after realize that that is the issue, maybe because of some typo error, it was this particular code is written here instead of correct. I have also added my comment here, but I think it is still not approved. Maybe in future, once the author got notification, they will approve, or they will update code here. So users will not have same difficulty as I felt or other user are observing. So let's check again with I have used sentence as what I have shown here. What this is particular reference I use same. Let's check change here something different. Sentences. For that we first we need to install transformer if you are using Jupyter Notebook, but for Google Colab there is no requirement because Colab is more kind of online uh, platform where it is already have those all most of the library already installed, so there is no installation required. Then we need to for Jupyter Notebook I will update here prompt. Let's ask about about GPT as well. Evolution of GPT 2 to 4, and here we can see the max length is 100, so I think this is words limitation. Then number num written sentence is here we need to change sequence. Okay, instead of typing this is better, so we can change like at a time how many output we required, so we can use 2, 5 or anyone any number, but I'm going with one only. And it's taking time. So meanwhile we will check what outcome we got in Google Colab. So I have used wait, it's taking time. Meanwhile I will go with GPT where I have done few changes. After this code I have added prompt, and this prompt I have used in this code, model code. So instead of actual text I have used prompt, and we know we need to first update prompt here, and then not every time required to update this particular code, so it will be unchanged. So there may be some manual error it will may occur, so it will be minimized by this particular update. And after this we can use for function to generate text or show text, or we can directly use sentence as a like it is just in without any formatting. So but for this particular for with print function we output is much more formatted. Now it is generated, let's check. Okay, wait, instead of this yeah, so we got response. It is much of like article only, so I'm not sure why max length is 100, so 100 is maybe a row number, but it seems this, I'm not sure if everyone get this particular, but it seems that this particular output is all uh, copy pasted from original source. So we can see here like it shows like in different formatting with number indentation in and index there is provided. There was discussion fee here, they have mentioned figure, but there is no figure or any reference chart or images available. So our question, they have responded to our question, but just like our question where they found a reference, they just copy pasted that reference here. So this is for GPT-2. So because of that, and maybe for we when we interact on chatgpt for latest GPT like 3.5 or 5 or 4, we can see much more advanced or updated or and tailored response to our question. So if we, here we can see evolution from 2 to 4, like GPT 2 to 4 as well. So may once we have like uh, uh, I uh, I have one just thought, I have just got an idea. We will ask same question in GPT, and let's see what that particular uh, response we get. So let's check on that. So here we have ChatGPT 3.5 and we have same question. Okay, so 3.5. So due to oh, again we will update, since this GPT have closed data, it is not online available. We can see there is restriction of response. So during this time maybe 3.5 is not available. So let's go with 3. Yeah, if we compare both this output, it is much more sophisticated than this particular response. Here they have just only copy pasted, but in chat GPT we can see much tailored and accurate with uh, mm, accurate response provided with uh, correct formatting. It is just, it is not just copy pasted here. So here it is our code and output, and we have had some good discussion and observed few scenarios regarding GPT. So that's it for today data vlog, and uh, hope you enjoyed that. So thank you all. Let's meet in next session with another interesting topic. Thank you.